and welcome to my channel. I am Giulia and I am an instructor of accelerated learning and soft skills. And in this channel, soft skills is exactly what we're going to talk about. And this word soft skills is pretty common nowadays, but a lot of people are not really sure what it means. So I thought about the simplest way to explain it. Think about this. You probably want to succeed at life. You want to be happy, you want to achieve all the results that you have in your mind, all the dreams that you have. And in order to do that, in order to be successful, you need two things. On one side, you need hard skills. On the other side, you need soft skills. Hard skills are everything that's related to the knowledge that you have, the competence that you have, the technical skills that you have. It's everything that you build by going to school in a certain way, educating yourself, studying books, and so on. And that's something that, of course, you need to have. That's very, very important, that you can improve, that you can grow on. And for this, we have a channel that's called Genius in 21 Days that you can follow in order to get tips on how to improve your hard skills. But what you need to make sure of is that you don't forget about your soft skills. What are soft skills? Soft skills are transferable skills that you can apply regardless of what you're working on. So if hard skills give you the competence, and you may have the competence to be a lawyer, you may have the competence to be an engineer, soft skills are those skills that regardless of being a lawyer, an engineer, a plumber, and so on, you need to apply in your life if you want to be successful. And this is something that we are not taught at school. This is something that we need to learn at life. Think about this. Maybe you have a wonderful CV, you have a lot of competence, and you get into the interview room because your CV shows that you have all the competence that as a business owner I would want to have. But when you get there, your CV won't be enough anymore. At that point, you need to bring up your soft skills, your communication, your empathy, your ability to work in a team, to be organized, all those things that allow you to be successful when you work on your own, accomplish your goals, but also when you work with other people. And even if you get inside the job with very poor soft skills because somehow the interviewer liked you, after that, if you want to enhance your career, if you want to be successful, you will need to develop those interpersonal skills and personal skills that will allow you to achieve the results that you want. So if you feel that developing your soft skills is something that you need in order to thrive at what you do, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have some specific soft skill that you would like me to tackle, leave a comment and I will take care of it.